Hi and welcome. This video will introduce you to the SCRAMBLECODE programming language and the developer environment. But first, what makes SCRAMBLECODE different from any other language you know? SCRAMBLECODE is a new programming language which compiles your source code into instructions that are encrypted individually to the core. SCRAMBLECODE implements a single target compilation technique where each customer uses a different set of instructions for the compiler. This technique, used in combination with encryption, makes disassembling and code attacks almost impossible to perform. When encrypted instructions are executed by a small in-memory virtual machine, they can work with encrypted values and variables in memory. Many instructions can work directly with the encrypted data, but if a value is briefly decrypted, it is short-lived and quickly overwritten or deleted. SCRAMBLECODE allows you to create confidential, tamper-resistant code to protect your intellectual properties and effectively counteract memory attacks and prevent reverse engineering. SCRAMBLECODE is not intended to replace your favorite languages. SCRAMBLECODE should be used together with them to add security. If an application contains secret code, port it to SCRAMBLECODE for protection. Perhaps include some extra code to make the protected functionality essential and impossible to bypass. Finally, compile the classes into encrypted instructions as a single black box unit. This is how SCRAMBLECODE is protected. Protecting only 1% of the codebase is enough for many applications. It is easy to get started with SCRAMBLECODE. Just download the SCRAMBLECODE zip file from the web page and unzip all the developer tools to a directory of your choice. SCRAMBLECODE is self-contained and no installation is required. Simply start the SCRAMBLECODE exe to load the development environment. The SCRAMBLECODE development environment is small, fast and simple to use. It integrates the editor, compiler and debugger into a single all-in-one environment. Here we have an open project with all the source files in a project tree and with some of them open for editing. SCRAMBLECODE is class-based with fields and functions, and you can have as many classes in a source file as needed. Only the main class with the main function must always exist as the entry point of execution. The editor has built-in code completion, but it can also display all available symbols in a tree structure, which help to learn the language. Content-aware local help is available, here for a custom class new method, as described in the programmer's reference. Once the code is compiled, it can be tested and debugged using the built-in tools. Ordinary standard tools for debugging and memory analysis are not helpful due to the implemented encryption. Here we are single-stepping the code in the debugger, but we are actually debugging recorded events from a code execution made some time ago. Recording and saving events to a file makes it possible to investigate and analyze any code execution again and again. Code events are presented in black, value events use a red color. It is possible to fine-tune the recordings to only include relevant events. For instance, your application can have SCRAMBLECODE save only the latest 10,000 events before a certain exception occurs. This can help analyze seldom appearing errors. Thank you for watching this short introduction to SCRAMBLECODE. More information is available at scramblecode.com.